In this video, we are going to download and install the Motion 2 plugin so that you can use it for these upcoming exercises. Now, the Motion 2 plugin allows us to apply easing without having to access the graph editor. I equate it to training wheels for beginning animators learning to apply easing to their animations. But it is in no way a replacement for actually knowing how to work with the graph editor. We'll want to get more familiar with that as time goes on. But let's take a look at this plugin. First of all, you can download the plugin here in the Week 2 folder on Blackboard. It's a zip file. When you click on that, it will automatically download. When you've downloaded that zipped file and uncompressed it, you'll find that there are 3 files within that folder. The README PDF will describe the process that I'm going to show you right now. Here is the actual plugin file that we want to work with. I'm going to select it and copy it. Once I've copied it, I'm going to navigate to my Applications folder. And I want to find my After Effects folder. Inside my After Effects folder, there are some other folders. The one that we want to click on is this one here, Scripts. Inside of that folder, the one that we want to click on is this one here, Script UI Panels, User Interface Panels. And from here, I'm just going to paste that copied plugin. Now that I have this pasted into this folder, I'm going to start up After Effects. If you have After Effects open right now, you're going to want to restart it in order to initialize this plugin. Let me open it up. Once I have After Effects opened up, before we open up the Motion 2 panel, we have to make one small change first. I want you to come to the After Effects drop-down menu and choose Preferences. If you're on PC, the Preferences option may be at the bottom of the File menu. Under Preferences, I'm going to come down to the bottom of this menu and choose Scripting and Expressions. In this dialog box, I'm going to check this option, Allow Scripts to Write Files and Access Network. I'm going to say OK. Once I've done that, I can come to the Window drop-down menu and I can open up any plugin scripts down below here. You can see here is my Motion 2 script. If you're installing this for the first time, you may have to click an option where you agree not to share this plugin. But once you've opened it like this window is open, I suggest you dock this window in a place that is easy to access. We can dock a window in After Effects by clicking on the name of that particular panel, in this case Motion 2. Once I click on that and begin to move, you can see that After Effects updates with various places that it allows me to drop this panel. I'm going to drop it right here on the left edge of the composition panel, like so. I'm going to resize this by taking my cursor and clicking in between those 2 panels and bringing that in like that. You now have the Motion 2 panel installed.